Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Kain yan, ngayon kakainin mo na.
Hindi po.
Ano hindi po?
Yan, kain ko yan, barbecue.
Ayaw, hindi yan.
Yung barbecue.
Paa.
Hindi yung paa kakainin mo.
Yan, probably merong buhok.
Tita Pet, Nasaan na kayo?
Kain na po kami.
nasaan na kayo, RC?
Yung
Hi guys, dito kami sa Sky Ranch and last minute, so my suotin is very looks like I look like I'm rich, but also I look like very stupid. Hi, pupunta kami dito. So I don't know.
Hello! Hi muna kayo.
Hi.
Ang lamig! Pagkagaling sa Monte Maria, diretso kami sa Tagaytay. Saan ka una sasakay? Vikings tayo! Vikings! Vikings muna!
New Viking!
Go, Vikings! Tayo sa Vikings! Ready na kayo? Yes! Ready? Ay, saan ka sasakay? Wala. Ay, kayong dalawa, saan kayo sasakay? Tara mag-Vikings! RC, ready ka na? Bebe. Yes! Walang susuka! Okay, let's go! Ready na kayo? Ready! Titingnan ang mga reaction! Oh, bago sumakay! Titingnan! Before and after! From this! Mga analing tres, nakakaliyo. Ano, kaya pa Rika? Ay, kaya pa. Ayaw. Pupunta sila sa bump car. Bilis, ask mo. Try. Try mo, ate. Ate, wait.
Saan popper?
Bump car po. Sa dulo daw. See, RC?
Violet daw.
Yes! Uy, RC!
Hindi siya alam.
Ano?
Hindi siya alam.
Hindi daw siya alam.
Uy, alam ko. Yan, I was doing
Yeah.
I was doing it one hand.
Ayan.
yung bata yun.
Let's go.
Yung bata, reason. Ay, naman! Ay,
Go, kuya! Go, kuya!
si Camera Rentals and si Core Rentals. I had so much fun. Dito kami. And yung kotse namin is sobra nice. And yung air conditioning, top notch. And itong camera din, it's sobra nice. And I always gusto ko, yung mom ko and akin. So, salamat po kasi I had so much fun today sa travels ko. And yeah, sige po for itong maganda kotse. It's my baby na. And it's sobra nice. And it's like smooth driving. So, salamat po. Oh, so, akala ko.
Huwag guys.
Ano ba picture? Opo.
Ano?
Totoo pala yung accent niya.
Go. Hi kayo muna. Hi.
Hi, Ma.
Sama ko kayo sa vlog. Ang ganda mo naman, bebe.
Malaki po yan.
Meron.
That's sila.
Okay. Ang pretty.
Good idea. Do you have are you mixed? Ako nakakaintindi siya.
Ang pretty niya naman. Ang pretty niya. Okay.
Recordings lang po na. Have you tried that? Opa. Opa. Oh, titignan kayo sa TikTok. Bye.
Okay, picture.
How many fellas are good? How the fuck I'm still up? Yeah, niggas don't speak my language. Niggas don't speak my language.
Thank you, Sika Rentals! Enjoy kami sa aming road trip. Super comfy. Super lamig ng aircon. Ayan. And super bait pa ng owner, si Miss Clem Galanon. Thank you so much!
Thank you for the roses.
Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the car. And also, thank you for the camera, DJI camera. Ayun po yung gamit namin sa aming full vlog.
Gusto mo po rent yung car or yung camera, PM mo na lang sila. And then pwede mo. You'll be in the same car that I'm in right now.
Ganda yun.